Hey, this is Lucian McAndrew. Today, it's not about skateboarding in itself. It's about gear. It's the gear for this year. Yeah, rhyme. Okay, so we have quite a lot of skateboarding gear this year. So, okay, what do we have? First of all, get a new Santa Cruz Classic Dot, my favorite deck. So that's gonna be the main board, together with the independent titanium trucks, which I think are at least among the most expensive trucks on the market. They're really light. Gonna do a review on them later on. Then we got some new Super Softies wheels. I actually just need one new, but I bought two, so I have extra. Then we have some grip. This would be Mob grip. And this would also be Mob grip. This, however, is Grizzly grip. So I was thinking I'm gonna put the Grizzly grip on my shitboard. Not saying that Grizzly's shit. I usually prefer Mob, but I was thinking I'm gonna do a comparison between the two. Also later on. Okay. Then we have this one that got run over by a car. But still, actually, it didn't totally break. You could still skate this, except the tail was totally fucked up. And the driver was not happy at all. But he was being very aggressive and rude, so I decided to leave. So yeah, we're gonna remove the board, we're gonna remove the wheels. And I'm just gonna use the trucks for my shitboard. And where is my shitboard? This is my shitboard. The Tony Hawk board, but I'm gonna remove the trucks and the wheels, and we're gonna use the independent trucks and my old Super Softies wheels that are on my current main skateboard. And then finally we have my current main skateboard that we're gonna change grip, and we're gonna remove the wheels and add Spitfire Formula 4 wheels. So this is gonna be my park skateboard, cause Super Softies wheels are not that good in the park. Then Spitfire's better. So I don't have to switch all the fucking time. So that will be my main setup. 3 boards. The main board, the shit board, and the park board. Then I also bought some independence, what the fuck do you call them? Screws, I guess. Also some protection if I'm gonna attempt some scarier stuff this summer. Mainly I was thinking when I do my, I want to learn how to ollie and land in like a front manual. Nose manual, that's what you call it, not a front manual. I want to land in a nose manual, and the reason I stopped practicing that last year is because I hurt my hands all the time when falling forward. So, and last, I also bought new skateboarding shoes, DC Graphics. And I bought this because Bam Margera said these were the best skate shoes. And I need skate shoes because when I started this series, I had these. These are not good skate shoes. It took like 1 day for them to break, and then for the last summer I bought these, but yeah, didn't hold that well either, but they did hold better. So now, real skate shoes for the first time since I was young actually. And not really to do with skateboard, but I also bought a chain and a lock so I can chain my skateboard to a tree or something. My shitboard, of course, not my good board. Yeah, I like to go out and pick mushrooms and shit. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. No, you like chanterelles and shit that you put on a sandwich, and it's awesome. And I have like that. I have a really nice skateboarding road to the forest, but you don't want to walk around with in the forest with your fucking skateboard. That's annoying. So okay, let's put this shit together. Okay, got the grip being removed. It's actually way more exhausting to remove grip than one would think. It's on there pretty hard. Okay, time to remove the trucks. But let's talk gear for a second. You don't want to use one of these. These sucks. Swedish invention though, so yay! But this is the stuff you want. And it doesn't hurt to have a T-tool. One of these. And actually one of these worst case scenarios. Sometimes the wheels get really badly stuck there because when you miss your flips, it does that to the truck. To the trucks. So it may actually be hard to get the wheels on too. In that case, these are really good to have. Especially these ones, but they have to specially order these. These ones, if you buy these ones, it's size 125 or 4, I think. 125. So, good to know. Okay, so let's do this.
Am I fucking up your mind? I can see them riding in the rain, trying to escape the burning pain. Still they think they found the only one. Nothing left forever, feelings always Now when life's about to end, think of all the time you spent, all the moments you missed out. Was it worth it? Do you doubt? I can see them riding in the rain, trying to escape the burning pain. Still they think they found the only one. Nothing left forever, feelings always die. I can hear them crying in the...
Okay, so to get the trucks back on the skateboard. But first, try, because this is a problem. Yeah, this is a problem pretty much every skater runs into. That's okay, I guess. But after skating a while, it's sort of hard to get these back on because the gears have become so fucked up. Yeah, I think this one has that problem. So instead of throwing those away and spending like $100 extra on trucks, I can use these. Or I can use them in combination. Start with this There, on good, and then we simply screw it off. Cut the gears perfectly again. Third part, and then let's just try to fit this one on with a little violence. And this is size 125, that's standard for skateboard trucks, which is good to know. There, just manage to force it on. As soon as you get it in, you get the gears on, you just screw it on carefully. And then your trucks are good as new. There we go. And you want to go a little bit forward and back with this. Not just force it on super violently. And you don't want it all the way on either, because this makes it a little bit smaller. So it can fall off. Okay. That should, yeah, fits on easily now. Yeah, so good as new. Okay, so time to put on trucks.
There's a reason why. Feed your mind. Feed your mind. Feed your mind. Feed your mind. Well, it's in your strive for your blood, and it's far too late. Then the devil laughs at our soul.
So trucks on all skateboards. So time to put on the wheels and put in the bearings.
Drink my coffee from the same great cup. Nothing changes in my life. Same regret, same thought, same life. Now I'm all alone. I was slain, just like for
First board completed.
but I know there's a reason why. There's a reason why. Feed your mind. Feed your mind.
Okay. Second board complete.
Feed your mind.
Third board, shit board completed. Okay, now moving on to the shoes. Now it may not look good, but if you want your shoes to last a little bit longer when skateboarding, it's a good idea to super glue the seams. Like that. Just on the flipping foot, or what you should call it, foot in front. So there we go. First of all, the main skateboard, Santa Cruz Classic Dot with independent titanium trucks and the super softest wheels. That's the main one. Then we have my skate park skateboard, which is a Santa Cruz also Classic Dot. Independent hollow trucks and Spitfire wheels. Spitfire Formula 4, by the way. And finally, my rainy day board that I don't care so much about. Tony Hawk board with independent trucks and super softies wheels. So yeah, that will be my 3 skateboards for this summer. So yeah, that was all for this episode. Next time, if the weather allows it, I will do something. I don't know, I haven't planned it. Let's see what I do. I have a whole list of things that I could do. And a whole lot of reviews to come here, obviously, mainly of the titanium trucks and the Formula 4 wheels. So yeah, see you next time and rock and fucking roll.